How to copy your Twitter link on phone in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to go to your Twitter app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and then you have to click on the profile. When you click on the profile, you have to choose any of the tweets that you choose any of the tweets that you want, and then you have to click on the share button, and then you can simply copy the link. And then what you have to do is paste the link in the your Chrome browser. For you have to go to your Chrome browser and paste the link of your Twitter post. And when you paste the link of your Twitter post, it will opens in this form. So what you have to do is here you can see the your profile picture in this tweet. So you have to click on your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, you come to this page, and here you can see all your posts. So what you have to do is you have to first click in the search bar. You can see in the search bar the link in your first search bar is literally your Twitter link. So that's it. So what you have to do to copy your Twitter link, you have to click on the search bar, and when you click on the search bar, here you can see in the most upper box you can see the share button. In the right side of the link you can see the share button and the pen button, and between the share button and pen button you can see the copy link button. So when you click on the copy link button, then the your Twitter account link is copied, and you can check it by clicking pasting this link again. And then when you click on this, then here you can see you come to your profile. So that's it, that how you can do this. So what you have to do to copy the link is you have to click on the search bar, and then you have to click on the this button between the copy button between the share button and pin button. When you click on the copy button, then you copy the link. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.